Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Granite Gold Sealer is probably one of the most essential products for anyone looking to protect and maintain the natural beauty of their granite countertops, ensuring they remain a stunning centerpiece in their kitchen or bathroom for years to come, offering peace of mind against everyday spills and stains that can otherwise diminish the stone's inherent luster and value. Number 5. Granite Gold Water-Based Sealer Spray. Introducing Granite Gold Water-Based Sealer Spray. It provides maximum surface protection against stains from liquids like oil, water, coffee, and wine. This sealer is specially formulated for all natural stone surfaces, including granite, marble, travertine, and grout. It's perfect for use in your kitchen and bathroom. Simply spray it onto any natural stone surface. It's pH balanced, safe for food preparation areas, and has no strong or harmful odors. Created by a third-generation family of stone care experts in the USA, our products are designed to protect and maintain your stone surfaces. For the best results, use it with our daily cleaner and polish. Keep your natural stone surfaces looking their best. What we like. This product offers maximum surface protection against a wide range of stains. It is pH balanced and safe for food preparation surfaces, with no harsh odors. If you are looking for a reliable sealer for your kitchen countertops and frequently deal with spills like coffee, wine, or oil, this is a great choice. What people say. This product is amazing, it works great and is easy to use. I love this product, it made my granite countertops look brand new. This sealer is a must-have for granite owners, it protects against stains and etching. Number 4. Weiman Granite and Stone Cleaner 3-in-1. Introducing our advanced 3-in-1 cleaner, designed to tackle tough messes on your stone surfaces. It effortlessly removes grease, stains, and watermarks. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free finish with our specially formulated cleaner. Enjoy a pristine look without any residue. Our innovative stain shield technology protects your surfaces from future blemishes. Keep your countertops looking newer for longer. This versatile cleaner is safe to use on a variety of natural stones. It's perfect for granite, marble, quartz, and more. Restore the natural beauty of your stone with this effective cleaner. It not only cleans but also provides lasting protection. Maintaining the elegance of your kitchen and bathroom surfaces has never been easier. Get a superior clean with minimal effort. What we like. This cleaner tackles grease, stains, and watermarks, leaving a streak-free shine. Its stain shield technology provides an extra layer of protection. If you want a daily cleaner that not only cleans but also helps prevent future stains and watermarks on various stone surfaces, this is ideal. What people say. This product is a great sealer that works well on granite. It is easy to apply and dries quickly, leaving a nice finish. The sealer protects the granite from stains and etching, making it look new for longer. Number 3. Weiman Disinfectant Granite Daily Clean and Shine, 2-pack. Introducing a powerful cleaning solution designed for your countertops. It effectively cleans, disinfects, and shines, leaving surfaces looking pristine. This formula is safe to use on a variety of stone and laminate surfaces. You can trust it for granite, marble, quartz, and more. Keep your kitchen and bathroom surfaces hygienically clean. It not only disinfects but also enhances the natural shine of your countertops. Make daily cleaning a breeze with this convenient spray. It's perfect for maintaining the beauty and cleanliness of your home every day. Each pack comes with a special polishing cloth. Use it to achieve an extra streak-free shine after cleaning. Get more value with this 2-pack option. You'll have plenty on hand for all your cleaning needs. What we like. This option not only cleans and disinfects your stone surfaces but also leaves them shining. It comes with a polishing cloth for added convenience. If you prioritize a hygienic and gleaming countertop, especially in high-traffic areas like kitchens and bathrooms, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This product is a great sealer for granite countertops. It is easy to apply and leaves a nice finish. It protects the granite from stains and etching. Number 2. Weiman Disinfecting Granite and Stone Cleaner and Sealer Kit. Introducing the Weiman Disinfecting Granite and Stone Cleaner and Sealer Kit. Keep your kitchen surfaces looking their best with this powerful duo. Our 24-ounce daily cleaner tackles everyday messes on granite, marble, quartz, and more. It effectively disinfects and cleans without harsh chemicals. The 24-ounce sealer provides long-lasting protection for your stone surfaces. It helps prevent stains and keeps your countertops looking new. This kit is perfect for granite, marble, quartz, quartzite, and slate. Achieve a professional clean and seal in one easy step. Get the complete care solution for your kitchen countertops. This kit offers both daily cleaning and protective sealing for a beautiful finish. What we like? This kit provides a 2-in-1 solution with both a daily cleaner and a sealer. The cleaner disinfects while the sealer protects your stone. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one solution for regular maintenance and protection of your granite, marble, or quartz countertops, this kit simplifies your routine. What people say. This product works great and is easy to apply. It provides excellent protection for granite surfaces. The sealer leaves a natural finish without altering the stone's appearance. Number 1. Weiman Disinfecting Granite Daily Clean and Shine Refill. Keep your countertops looking their best with our powerful cleaning solution. It's designed to safely clean, disinfect, and shine all your stone surfaces. From granite and marble to quartz and slate, this refill handles it all. It effectively removes dirt and grime, leaving a brilliant shine. Safely disinfect your surfaces while enhancing their natural beauty. Enjoy a clean and radiant finish every day. This 64-ounce refill pouch ensures you always have enough on hand. Simply refill your existing spray bottle for easy and effective cleaning. Perfect for granite, marble, soapstone, quartz, quartzite, slate, limestone, corian, laminate, and tile. It's the all-in-one solution for your kitchen and bathroom. Make daily cleaning a breeze with this specially formulated cleaner. It provides a streak-free shine and a hygienic environment. What we like? This is a large refill option for a cleaner that disinfects and shines. It offers great value for those who use the product regularly. If you already love the daily cleaning and disinfecting power of this brand and want to stock up with a cost-effective solution, this refill is the way to go. What people say. This product is a great sealer that works very well on granite. It is easy to apply and dries quickly, leaving a nice finish. The sealer protects the granite from stains and etching, making it look like new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.